was one amazing thing that I learned today about the diversity. I loved learning about Hugo, the artist, and his amazing artwork, having over 350,000 photos that he took. Was just spectacular, and I hope one day to get back down to Italy and maybe see some of these in a gallery or at an exhibit one of these days. It would be wonderful. It would be even better.
So I got to learn quite a bit about Trieste. I think just from even just the magazine, it gives me just such an, I mean, look at this, just such an insight into the beauty of Italy. The first thing that I learned right off the bat, just from looking at the cover, was this train that has been recently renovated, the tram, after about 8 or so years of being out of service, and it takes you, if you flip the cover over, to the almost like a hilltop, right, where you guys can see the bay and all the beautiful buildings there. I got to learn that, so that was very cool, just from looking at the cover.
Learn about the diversity of the community in Trieste. It seems really incredible, and I really love sort of understanding the role of women and the spotlight on the women in the community as leaders. The university about to appoint its first woman leader, with the vice mayor being the first woman to serve in that position, and sort of the growing range of the diverse commitment and growth of everyone being welcome in the community.
I love exploring different parts of the country, and I've been to Italy once, and I thought it was beautiful, and I would like to go to Trieste to see what it's like there.